Hey everybody, and welcome to Gardening with Ben. In today's video we're going to be talking about what melon seeds we are growing this year. So sit back, relax and enjoy today's episode, everyone. So welcome to Gardening with Ben, and in today's episode we are going to be talking about what melon seeds we're going to be growing this year, as I want to try again with growing them. We've grown the cantaloupe in the past and they did really well, but I've not grown them for a few years now, so we want to give them another try this year and see how well we get on, because melons are absolutely gorgeous. And if you've got the right conditions, a polytunnel or a greenhouse, you can grow them here in the UK. So we're going to be trying quite a few different varieties. Now, I just went online on Amazon and purchased all the melon seeds that were available. I just tried all different varieties. I thought, why not? We'll give them all a try. So we've got these melon EMIRF1 variety. Now these ones are ideal for cooler growing conditions, so fingers crossed with us being in the UK we should get some produce on them ones, and there's about 20 seeds in that one. We've also got some with a nice orange flesh in them, and these are called ananas. I can never say these words, but yeah, they look absolutely delicious, them ones. So we'll be trying them ones. Then we've got a melon variety called Queen Anne's. These are from Premier Seed, which was on Amazon. Then we've got a few varieties of watermelons. Now I've never grown watermelons here in my allotment, so we might get some, we might not, but we'll give them a try. It's worth a shot. I've nothing to lose apart from compost. But yeah, these ones are petite yellow. And again, these are Premier Seed ones. The Premier Seed ones don't seem to have any growing instructions on them, so you have to Google them to find out what to do with the growing conditions for these ones. But they'll be pretty much the same as any other melon. Grow them in somewhere where it's decent, warm and plenty of sunshine. 60 seeds in that one, so that should last me a few years. And then we've got the watermelon Jubilee. Again, 60 seeds in that one, so plenty of seeds. Then we've got one called Sugar Baby, so maybe their baby variety of watermelons, and there's 110 seeds in that one. I definitely won't be growing all of them, but if I do have some spare, I'll be giving them to plot neighbours or to my dad to see if he can grow some. So yeah, 110 seeds in that one. And then we have a Cal Sweet watermelon. So plenty of varieties of watermelons to try. And looking at them, I've not got any cantaloupe ones, so we need to get some cantaloupe melons and try them again, because obviously I know they're a success growing them down here. So I'm looking forward to growing them. We'll be sowing them around March time, as that's when the weather warms up and I can sow them in my shed or in my greenhouse. And it's not a heated greenhouse, it's just relying on the sunshine. So that's when we'll be starting these off down here at the allotment. So make sure you stay tuned for this year's videos and stay up to date with how well we get on with growing our melons. Obviously we've got this weekly tour video, and we will also be filming these melons along the journey throughout the year. So if you're not following us, do give us a follow and click the bell, and then you'll get notified when new videos come up. So yeah, I'm excited to try something new. It's always good to try something new when you're growing and experiment. Sometimes you can have great success, sometimes then the year after you'll have a failure and think, what have I done wrong, and I've done it exactly the same. But yeah, we will be trying them and giving them a go. So fingers crossed we get some melons this year, because they're absolutely gorgeous and they're expensive to buy from the shop, melons. So hopefully we will reap the rewards from them. So I hope you've enjoyed that. Let me know in the comments if you've grown melons before. I would love to hear from you all. And let me know what varieties you've grown. So until next time everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining, and keep gardening with Ben everyone.